असम के स्वास्थ्य विभाग के राज्य मंत्री पीयूष हजारिका इन दिनों बराक घाटी के दौरे पर हैं। मीडिया से बात करते हुए उन्होंने सिलचर मेडिकल कॉलेज के विसंगति के आरोपों को खारिज किया। मंत्री ने जानकारी दी कि उनके साथ आए जीएमसीएच के डॉक्टरों ने मेडिकल कॉलेज का जायजा लिया और उन्हें यहां पर किसी भी प्रकार की खामियां देखने को नहीं मिली। पीयूष हजारिका ने एसएमसीएच के कॉन्फ्रेंस हॉल में मीडिया को संबोधित करते हुए कहा कि लोगों को स्वेच्छा से कोरोना परीक्षण के लिए बाहर आना होगा। गुरुवार से शुरू हुए लॉकडाउन के दौरान कीमतों में बढ़ोतरी के बारे में पूछे जाने पर पीयूष हजारिका ने कहा कि सीएम के साथ उनकी पहले ही बात हो चुकी है और सीएम ने जिला प्रशासन को मुनाफाखोर व्यापारियों के खिलाफ कार्रवाई के निर्देश दे दिए हैं।
Minister of State for Health and Family Welfare was in his 4-day visit in Barak Valley, and today he is moving after the meeting which we're going to held at SMCH. So sir, in these 4 days you have visited the 3 districts of Barak Valley. What you have found and what are the things new these people of Barak Valley going to get?
First of all, I would like to request the people of entire Barak Valley to cooperate us, to maintain the guidelines given by the health department, given by the state of Assam. See, this is a serious disease. We should not take this disease very easily. I have seen some people collapsed within 2 hours, 3 hours. Within a day, some people collapsed in this COVID-19 disease. So I think this is a very serious disease, so people should be aware of it. People should cooperate us so that we can contain, we can maintain, we can control this disease. I would like to request the people of Barak Valley to come to hospital as early as possible if symptoms develops in his body. What I have seen in SMCH in last 4 days, who are collapsing, who are dying in this COVID-19, most of the people for late arrival in the hospital. So they should not do that kind of thing. People should not do that kind of thing. Yes, they should come voluntarily and immediately or as early as possible if symptoms develops.
What about the team of doctor that you brought with you? Are also moving?
They have gone back yesterday night. They are okay with the system continuing in the SMCH. They have given a report that no anomalies from our doctors, from our medical staffs, from our paramedical staff, nothing wrong is going on. So they have left because a lot of patients are in Guwahati also. But today only I am moving. Again I am going to SMCH for my final round of visit. But again, I would like to ask the people of the valley to maintain all guidelines given by the health department.
So some of the people have a complaint. We know that there's a huge pressure going on the health department. In Silchar Medical College and Hospital, people are also complaining about that. So I think you have came across that.
No, it's not that. Yeah, more or less, I think it is good because the team who came with me, they said nothing, no complaint against our facility. See, many a man, many a mind. If somebody takes lunch at 12 p.m. and somebody takes 3 p.m. So if we provide at 2 p.m. so who used to take at 3 p.m. he doesn't have problem. But who used to take at 12 p.m. he has a problem. So like that only. But we are trying hard to maintain, to satisfy all our people of the state. This is our duty. It deserves by the Honorable Chief Minister as well as the Health Minister. We are the field level. I myself is a field level worker, so I am trying hard to maintain that.
Last question to you, sir. As we know that now it is a lockdown has been imposed in the valley from yesterday, but people are facing the problem like every time this rise in in the price hike get higher whenever the lockdown comes.
I'm going to request the all traders, all wholesalers, not to do a artificial crisis. Today morning also I have talked to the Honorable CM. He said me to request all of them and to order our administration so that we can maintain price as well as we can maintain all this thing, so that people will not face problem. I'm going to request all of them.
Thank you, sir. So we had a talk with the Minister of State, Piyush Hazarika, and he said that everything is going to be placed and all the systems are on place. You are watching Northeast Live with camera person Tapashnath. I'm Vikram Sarkar from Silchar.